The TOOLCY Electric Pressure Washer delivers a robust 2,030 pounds per square inch of pressure, making it highly efficient for tackling everyday cleaning tasks. With a 50-foot pressure hose and a 16-foot power cord, this washer offers an extended reach, allowing you to maneuver easily around your vehicle without frequent repositioning. The included high-quality accessories, such as the short pressure gun and foam cannon, are rated for up to 4,000 pounds per square inch, ensuring durability and compatibility with gas washers. Equipped with a powerful brass-wired motor, this pressure washer provides stable performance and lower noise levels compared to gas-powered alternatives. Its compact and lightweight design allows for easy storage in an RV or car trunk, and the self-priming feature enables water draw from a tank when no faucet is available. The built-in Easy Start pump with pressure automatic stop system ensures a quick start and stop, prolonging the washer's runtime and enhancing user convenience.